What's up guys, it's Chris here. Now, since EasyEquities introduced their monthly Thrive fees, I, like many others, have been searching for an alternative that is safe, easy to use, and most importantly doesn't charge any monthly fees. And so in today's video, I'm going to take you through a great alternative that I'm going to be trying out. But not only that, it has 0 monthly fees and they are currently offering 100 Rand for free for anybody who signs up for their platform. So stick around and by the end of the video, you could be 100 Rand richer just like that. Let's get started. So as you know, EasyEquities recently introduced their monthly Thrive fee, which charges users 25 Rand a month to use their platform unless you meet one or more targets or hoops that they have set for its users. Now on the channel, we put together a full video about how to navigate this program and avoid the fee, but for many people, because of the way they invest, it would not be possible to save the monthly fee and they would now get charged extra every month, eroding their investment returns or having to jump through hoops every month to please the gods. So the question I got a lot and that I see in many of the comments is asking what are the alternatives. And I was asking myself the same thing. I always thought back to R100, an American platform that operated on no monthly or ongoing fees at all, but only the trades you make. So I have actually found an alternative that operates on that type of model where there are no monthly fees and just fees on the trades that you make, which is how EasyEquities used to operate as well. But not only that, I've been in communication with this company for a couple of months and had a meeting with them to learn about the business and the platform, and they've come up with a great offering to give the viewers of Casual Cash 100 Rand each for free to start trading on their platform. So specifically for Casual Cash viewers watching this video right now, they've offered that on deposits of 500 Rand or more, they will deposit an additional 100 Rand for free for you to use however you want. That's an instant 20% return, and we've got a link in the description where you can claim it. But before we get there, let me tell you about this platform. The platform is called Brokstock, and it's an easy to use platform on your PC and as an app on your phone from the Google Play Store or Apple Store. The app has got over 100,000 downloads on Play Store alone and is rated at 4.7 out of 5 stars. They are part of the international BCS financial group that's been around for nearly 3 decades and operates in the USA, Great Britain, Cyprus, Russia, the UAE, and South Africa. Now for me, I'm going to keep my EasyEquities account for now, but I have opened up an account on Brokstock, which I'll be showing you in this video, and starting to trade and invest there to see how I like the platform and whether I want to make the move over fully in the future. So now let's take a look through this app. First, the fees. Very simple, this is it right here. And that's it. No monthly fees, no deposit fees, no account opening fees, and no complicated rewards programs to avoid fees. Just a simple 0.1% per trade on JSE shares and 0.3% on the rest, including USA shares. But here's the good part. In that 0.3% includes the Forex transfer. So there's no separate fee for that. You just simply buy the share in the Rand equivalent like you always do, and it does the rest for you. I found that quite cool when I bought my first share that I'll show you in just a bit. Now the first question, of course, is how safe is your money? Well, I asked the same question and they have an extensive section of frequently asked questions on their website, including this one. But simply put, they do it the same way as EasyEquities and a lot of others do, where they have segregated accounts for clients' funds and operational funds, which they keep with their partner Standard Bank. They are also a licensed financial services provider and part of an international brokerage group that's been operating around the world for 25 years. So I've already opened my account, deposited 500 Rand and bought my first investment, and I'm liking the app and the PC web version so far. You get quite a bit of additional information about the shares as well, like market news updates that tell you what's going on in the different markets around the world, as well as financial indicators on the shares that you're looking to buy so that you can make better informed decisions right away from your screen. Also, what I think is quite cool is an investment calendar that tells you the important dates where earnings reports of the companies are released or when your dividends will be paid out. And in terms of the investments themselves, you've got quite a broad range of different companies and ETFs in the South African market and the USA market, and you can even trade in currencies and metals as well. And all of these you can trade in fractional shares, so you can start from really low amounts, just like in EasyEquities. So, they say that you can register and get started in 5 minutes, and because this is casual cash, as you know, we test things live and in the real world, so let's try register directly from our link in the description and see how easy or difficult it is and how long it takes. So let's click on the link here below, and it takes you to the Google Play Store or the Apple Store. Okay, let's install the app. Only 18 megabytes, really small. Let's open the app. Right, licensed financial services provider. Low fees, no hidden costs. Start with as little as 100 Rand. And personalized assistance. All right, let's go invest now. And phone number. If you do have something like Truecaller or a call blocker, just make sure to check your spam folder as well. How long have you been investing? Let's say more than 5 years. How do you make your investment decisions? You can use check financial indicators, competitors, financial reports and announcements. But yeah, chart analysis I do have. Other investors, sometimes. Investment analysis, recommendations and reviews, yes. I think that's all of them. Create a PIN. Touch ID, yes, because then it's fingerprint safe. Prepare documents, ID card or ID book. Upload documents. I always keep a copy of this on my share drive. Okay, so it also allows you to take a picture of it, which is easier. Let me go grab that quickly. Position your face to fit the frame. Great, your data has been successfully submitted. Flip, that's actually really good. Okay, enter address. That was actually really easy for document submission. Honestly, it's the easiest I've used so far. Okay, then I just put in my address. Wow, it was really easy as well. Okay, account opening, fill out the form. Employee, source of funds from income from employment, and then I'll put dividends from investments. Okay, so we are verifying your documents. I assume now you wait for a real life person to have a look at the documents, to approve them, and then you can start investing. So I think that's the sign up process. I'll show you as soon as it's done and we're into the app. But honestly, that took less than, it's done. I thought that was gonna take hours or days, but it's done. I'm not even saying this for the camera, that was honestly one of the quickest and easiest signups I've ever done. Then later in the day, I had my GoPro with me in the car, and a Brokstock employee gave me a call after I registered to check in with how I was finding the app and if I had any questions. I don't think he knew who I was, but I thought that was a nice customer service from the company, and it gives a nice human touch to know you can ask someone any questions.
Provide you with the necessary information.
So if you want to invest in the US market, do you need to convert rands over to dollars?
You do not need to. The US markets might be appearing.
And then obviously, if you're on the platform, we can talk through it at the same time.
How often would you like us to communicate? Check up on our clients and see how we can support them.
And a bit later in the day, once the USA markets were open, I went in to buy my first share. The USA markets are open, which is what I've been waiting for. So let's do our first investment. I'm going to put in here realty for realty income, which is something that I want to top up. Click on it right there and then click on buy. So I'm happy with that amount and let's click buy. And there you go, done, simple. And there we have it in our portfolio, realty income for 96 Rand and 30 cents. Simple, easy. So guys, here is my brutally honest review of Brokstock. Now remember, I've got an affiliate link with them now, but I can tell you the honest truth. This platform and the company really did impress me. The sign up was so easy and effortless, literally like 5 minutes to register and maybe another 5 minutes to deposit money and buy my first share. And so far I'm up a nice 0.26% in profit. The customer service call was a nice human touch, and obviously the fact you can buy fractional shares and no monthly fees is a great selling point. For me, I'm considering to bring my dividend shares here over time so I don't have to worry about withdrawing more than I deposit. And probably the biggest incentive as well is the 100 Rand free that you get when you open your account and deposit 500 Rand to start with. There are really no investments out there that give you an instant risk-free 20% return. So if you do want to try it out, it's a great way to grow your investment portfolio instantly and for free, and try out a new platform that could possibly save you some money, fees, or hassle as well. So I've signed up, I've deposited, and I'm busy trading, and I'll keep you updated on the channel. And if you want to try it out and get that 100 Rand bonus for free right now, the link is in the description below. And guys, that is it for today's video. I know a lot of people are looking around for alternatives to try, and so far I've had a good experience with Brokstock, and as always, I'll keep you updated on my portfolios here on the channel. But until then, I'll see you guys next time, as always, on Casual Cash. Cheers.